Top 15. Movement Japanese quartz. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters. Case shape round. Case color ionic plating. Die color grey. Top 14. Automatic watch. Leather strap. Midnight circulation. Movement Japanese automatic 2. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 46 millimeters. Case thickness 14.5 millimeters. Lug to lug 52.3 millimeters. Top 13. This watch has brown leather strap, stainless steel case, black dial, Japanese quartz movement, case diameter 45 millimeters, water resistant depth is 50 meters, atom shape round, display type analog. Top 12. Japanese quartz movement, case diameter 45 mm, water resistant depth is 50 meters, atom shape secure, diameter material type manual, case material stainless steel, case diameter 43 mm, case thickness 12 mm, band material leather. Top 11. Movement Japanese quartz chronograph with small second, case material 316L stainless steel, case diameter 45 mm, case thickness 11 mm, lug to lug 54.6 mm, case shape round. Top 10. 40 mm solid base premium 2040 quartz movement, genuine leather waterproof bracelet. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Top 9. Black leather strap, stainless steel case, black dial, Japanese quartz movement, case diameter 44 mm, atom shape round, display type analog, clasp buckle, case material stainless steel, case diameter 44 mm, band material leather, band width 20 mm, band color black. Top 8. Bracelet strap leather, case width 44 mm, case material black PVD, dial color black, movement quartz. Top 7. Grey leather strap, stainless steel case, black dial, Japanese quartz movement, case diameter 44 mm, water resistant 50 meters, atom shape round, display type analog, clasp buckle, case material stainless steel, case diameter 44 mm, case thickness 11 mm. Top 6. Japanese quartz chronograph with date, round stainless steel case with striated bezel, 22 mm hand stitched brown color genuine leather strap. Multi-layer grey dial. Atom shape round clasp tang buckle. Case diameter 45 mm. Top 5. Movement Japanese quartz. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 43 mm. Case thickness 10 mm. Case shape round. Case color stainless steel. Dial color black. Band genuine leather strap. Band color beige. Buckle strap buckle. Band width 22 mm. Water resistant to 50 meters. Watch weight 80 gram. Top 4. Sapphire lens with anti-reflective coating. Japanese self-winding automatic 2 hands with 24 hours. Small second with exhibition case back and custom rotor. Multi-layer skeleton. 22 mm hand stitch blue color. Nylon strap with extra blue nylon. Detailed, layered and beautifully crafted. Dial window material type sapphire crystal. Top 3. Aviation inspired watch and stainless steel with tachymeter bezel. Multi-colored chronograph sub-dials. Japanese quartz movement with analog display. Case diameter 42 mm. Water resistant depth is 50 meters. Dial window material type manual. Display type analog. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 42 mm. Case thickness 11 mm. Band material leather. Top 2. Japanese quartz with date and day function. Case diameter 42 mm with blue dial and brown genuine leather strap. Water resistant depth is 50 meters. Atom shape round. Dial window material type manual. Display type analog. Clasp buckle. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 44 mm. Case thickness 11.3 millimeters. Band material leather. Band length men's standard. Band width 21 millimeters. Band color of this watch is brown. Dial color of this watch is blue. Bezel material stainless steel. Bezel function stationary. Calendar date water resistant depth is 165 feet. Special features second hand atom weight 2.4 ounces. Top 1. Dial window material type mineral. Clasp tab deployment clasp. Case diameter 43 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters. Band material stainless steel. Band width 22 millimeters. Calendar date movement quartz. Water resistant depth is 50 meters.